Looking for an outlet for unlimited creativity? Take control of the new Daja Laser Engraver. It's powerful, affordable, and easy to use. 3W power allows you to quickly carve out your creativity. Highly accurate for precise engraving. Easily sees the details at 0.05 millimeter accuracy. Easily create custom designs, patterns, or text and engrave in minutes. Engraves on any surface. Simply sketch out your idea and leave the rest to Daja. A creative feast is ready. In addition to engraving, Daja also cuts material. Why not piece together a world map? The semi-open aluminum structure is sturdy and durable and allows for unlimited engraving sizes and angles. Daja has comprehensive security features, a portable security cover, a specially designed cooling fan, the Daja Laser Engraver, engrave wallets, engrave tools, carve out artwork. With coated metals, Daja can be spontaneously creative. Daja, engrave everyday objects and make them extraordinary.
Meet Monument 2, the AI-powered photo storage device that automatically backs up and organizes your photos and videos from all of your devices. Now faster and more reliable than ever. With its on-device artificial intelligence, Monument groups your photos by faces, scenery, location, and more, so you can find what you're looking for. Quick and simple. While you're out taking photos, the app is automatically backing up everything to Monument's highly reliable SSD storage. Monument continuously organizes your content by faces and more, even eliminating duplicates and creating additional backups, without you ever having to lift a finger. Share with your friends. Protect albums that you want to keep only for yourself. And watch your favorite moments on the big screen with your friends. Monument is designed with privacy in mind. Your data is yours and never leaves Monument. Break free from the big co. and stop paying monthly fees.
Since the launch of the original Monuments, we've been listening to the immense feedback from our community. That helped us define our next product.
We created Monument 2 from the ground up. Thanks to its totally new architecture, it's now 10 times faster, has better AI, and comes with all these new features. We really worked hard to make it the best place to store your precious memories.
Now we need your support to kickstart manufacturing. Back us now and be the first to get your hands on Monument 2.
Ever got frustrated when the blades begin to dull? Shaving with a dull and old blade is like touching your face with virus and germs. So you end up replacing cartridges all the time. Even after a few days of uses, you will have to replace the dull blade. They'll run out before you know it, and you will have to go and purchase more cartridges again. Introducing Razor Booster, the world's first smart razor blade cleaner and sharpener. Using Razor Booster is incredibly easy. Apply the sanitizing liquid, and press the razor blade against it. It is powered by a small electric motor, and it contains 12 rubber blades that spin and clean 600 times per second, sharpening razor blades and offering 99% sterilization. Cartridges are not cheap, but with Razor Booster, not only does save you replacement bills, but also the environment. Facial hair upkeeping is now made much easier with Razor Booster. And enjoy smooth shaving experience like never before. Rinse it with water when cleaning is done. Start every day with a brand new and refreshing look. Razor Booster is the ultimate grooming essential, small yet powerful. Back now and be one of the first to enjoy Razor Booster.
Bluetooth earbuds. They all look the same and work the same. Until now. This is the Morph Infinite Connect True Wireless. We designed and engineered these for today's multi-device world. Pair it with all your devices and rapidly switch connection to any device, anytime you want. We made a smart charging case with its own embedded processor and an OLED display screen. Beautifully crafted in a matte black finishing, this smart case is the user interface for your earbuds. Switch connections seamlessly via the smart case. Watch the morning news on your Android tablet, then switch to your iPhone for your favorite music as you head out to work. You have complete audio control, from volume to transparency mode to toggling ANC, all from an intuitive user interface. And it has an OLED display, showing vital stats such as battery life, so you know you will not run out of power during a call. This is the Morph Infinite Connect True Wireless, the earbuds for your entire day. The earbuds last an amazing 24 hours on a single charge, and 50 hours with a charging case, so you can leave them in your ears the whole day. And one more thing, it's Bluetooth 5.2 and LE audio ready. Tune into LE audio broadcast sources easily, then switch out to your personal device anytime you want and jump back in right after. Seamless switching, an amazing user experience. You are ready for this new world. We've integrated premium tier features such as transparency mode, Qualcomm adaptive ANC, always-on voice assistant, true wireless mirroring, aptX voice, aptX adaptive, 8th gen CVC processing, and it is IPX5 rated. As a startup, Morph has been on the market for a year selling our current Bluetooth neckband earphones. Our happy customers have given us hundreds of 5-star reviews for our amazing audio quality, unbeatable comfort fit, and beautiful aesthetics. The Morph Infinite Connect is our next product, and it's already at a working prototype stage. Our mission is to disrupt the earbuds market by bringing a completely new user experience standard to this industry. We ask for your help in this crowdfunding campaign to bring the future of true wireless to reality. Join us!